I recently purchased a XT250 Yamaha and I wanted a rack so I could go out and get some camping done in the local bush area. The prices on eBay and for something direct off the shelf were all over the $200 mark, which I couldn't justify for the amount I'll probably use it. So I've built my own using some 12mm ply and straps. The whole thing cost me under $30 and worked out pretty well with a little bit of adjustment and playing around. My next video you'll see I've taken out and done a bit of rougher work trying to make sure it all stays where it's supposed to. The straps go in under the back tail light there. There's a steel bar there, so there's plenty to hang on to, and the two handrails either side. During this process you'll see that I've changed the way I've strapped it on a little bit until I got it, well, what I think I've got it right. Some notches in the back there to stop it sliding. The bag's a old response bag. You can pick these up at Army Surplus, or you probably use your own bag. Overloaded it with a bit of gear. There was plenty of room and everything locked down nice and tight just with the two straps going over the top. And changing the strapping underneath a little bit. The only tools I used was a sander, a jigsaw and a drill, and a paintbrush with a bit of paint. And there it is, all painted up black, cleaned up and sanded. I used some rubber underneath it, so I've just glued on there. That's one of those mats you buy that's locked together for camping mats, and that keeps it nice and even and also protects the paintwork in the seat of the bike. Cut the straps. I've made an individual strap for each tie down point, which gives it a little bit more stability and security. Once it's all locked down tight, it does not move, so I'm really pleased with that. The whole bike's moving there rather than just a rack. You could extend this or make it to the own shape that you prefer. There it is on the bike, fully loaded. I've got about 12 kilos there just to test it out with. I hope you find this interesting and useful. I actually got the idea looking on YouTube, and I've just modified it to suit my bike and what I was chasing. Thanks for watching, and please hit subscribe if you wish. I've got more videos to come.